Hi everyone. So recently my old blender broke down. So I ordered this new Phillips one and let's see. It has a glass jar and it's quite heavy. Looks good quality. The blades are removable, which is quite handy while cleaning. I really like it. We have two plastic tumblers with lids, which is quite good if you want to carry something. It looks perfect for making smoothies, and with lids it's quite convenient to take away with you on a road trip or to work. The base is quite heavy as well. This is new for me, the suctions. So good for a good grip. Okay, so now we have this plastic spatula. So this was just an unboxing video. I'll be using this blender in my future recipes and we'll see its performance then. Thanks for watching. Take care.